Before you export your video, make sure that your sequence settings are correct. Go to sequence settings, and ensure that the editing mode, frame rate, resolution, and aspect ratio are as you want them. Next, let's create the in and out points. Using the shortcut keys I to indicate the start and O to indicate the end of our final video. Next, go to File, Export, Media. You can also use the keyboard shortcut key Command or Control M, or in latest versions, just click this tab to open up the export settings window. Here, we will enter the name of our file. Then select the location we want to save the file and hit save. Choose the preset that suits your video output. You can always set it to match source high bitrate to maximize on the export quality. Format will be H.264 for MP4 output. Next, make sure the video tab is checked. Drop down this arrow, cross-check your settings. Usually, I leave them as is. Then check this box here for more settings. Check render at maximum depth. Also, check use maximum render quality. Next, move to the encoding settings. Leave as is. And under the bitrate settings, change the bitrate encoding to variable bitrate with 2 encoding paths and set the target bitrate to 15 and the maximum bitrate to 20. This will ensure maximum export quality at a small file size. Next, make sure the audio tab is checked. Drop down this arrow. Make sure that the audio format is AAC. Audio codec is AAC, sample rate is 48,000 Hz, the channel should be set to stereo. And then bitrate settings should be at 320. You can create a preset to always save you time. Come to these 3 dots and select Save Preset. Give it a name and hit OK. So next you want to use it, just go to preset and locate it, and it will automatically apply those settings that we have just created. Once you're happy with your settings, hit export and wait for Premiere Pro to finish exporting your video. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more video editing tutorials. Kwaheri.